What's up, everyone? Back here in the garage. Doing a little bit of Gridlife prep today. It's Thursday afternoon. I started this morning. I went and got my trailer. As you can see, it's sitting out there parked on the street. But out here prepping up my wheels and tires. My Achilles 123s. I got about 10 of them I had to mount today from the test day. Last test day I burnt up those there. And anyways, I got to finally use my tire machine. Pretty stoked on that. It worked flawlessly. So here we are, cleaning up the garage. If you were paying attention to some of the other videos we were making, I finished up the rear of the car, wrapped it all up, literally. That's all done. And then yesterday afternoon, me and Val, we finished up the front bumper. So a little finished walk around of this car. It's good to go now. I went through it. I rebuilt the exhaust. I was able to save most of what was crinkled. I just cut all the bad parts out and used the straights and just redid it. So here's the car. As you can see, it is pretty much good to go. I showed you guys all the inside the other day of the bad work I did. I'm not gonna pop the trunk right now, but anyways, spoiler back on, windshield's back in, or back glass is back in. So next priority is to basically finish up. I just got to pack my wheels and tires in the trailer, then take what parts I want to take with me and some of my crates full of like fluids and whatnot, and then load the car. It's pretty much good to go. All I gotta do is pack my clothes and do a few things like that, and we'll be set up. I put the black car in the garage. This is going to be my next project. I may do a video or two on it, on some progress I want to do to change it up a little bit. I've been working on the V3 kit. I just got the bumper to do left, the wrap, and then then the kit's done. I'm just going to leave the fenders as they are. They were already black in the fiberglass, so I don't have to do too much with it. But there's a few things with this car. I would like to try to get the windows tinted in it. I'd want to get the radio and stuff. Just more street ability finish and that's on this one. But that's just like a next week thing. Hopefully nothing goes wrong with the red car and I get to just kind of keep it in storage for the next couple weeks, because I'll be actually making a move to St. Louis pretty soon. Me and my dad's starting up our business back together. Well, it's not that we're starting it up, we're getting back into it together, teaming up on a new project. So that's going to be kind of fun, going back to St. Louis and being down there. And as I make the move and transition back down, it's going to be kind of exciting. So anyways, that's pretty much it for the day. We're going to try to do some video throughout Gridlife, and we have our couple guys going to do some videos of us, like that way I don't have to do it, and take some photography and stuff like that. So hopefully we get some good video of the car driving with the pros and Pro 1 guys and stuff. It should be a good time, hopefully. So hope you guys stay tuned and keep on watching. Thanks.